Hey, Facebook, YouTube, Ryan here. Today's Wednesday the 15th. We are on a job this morning. We got 3 on the books today, and we're doing a repeat client, June's dog grooming. We've been doing her for a number of years, and we're in this situation. We're doing a VLM cleaning. For those of you who don't know what that means very low moisture. And typically we do that for businesses and residential clients that need it to be dry right away. And it's just a great additional alternative to carpet cleaning. So we're doing that today, and the results are amazing. As you can see, we're doing it now, and there's a lot of spots that we already emulsified, and it's just turning out really, really great. We have the technician on it now. As you can see, this is the Cymex machine, and it puts it down, agitates it with the pads, and absorbs it, and basically encapsulates it. That's why it's a great service, and it only dries within 30 minutes. So it's a great alternative to any high traffic businesses or Berber carpet for residential that really needs a quick drying time, or if you're selling your home or you're showing your home, they just need it to be quick, or even for a party. This is an alternative that we can offer to get it to look great, and also to dry within about a half hour. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and have a good day. All right, guys, this got done finished up. Check it out, guys. This looks absolutely amazing. 90 difference. Again, we use the VLM cleaning process, so it dries in a half hour, and the client absolutely loves it. That's why she calls us back. We do it every 3 months for her. So this is a little doggy shop that they cut hair and wash up dogs and so forth, and it just makes sense for us to come in and use our system so we get her done and ready for business. So hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Hope this adds value, and if you need our service, reach out. Have a good day.